What's up, guys? Jacob right here from MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida. Today I'm standing next to one of the pontoon industry's leading manufacturer name brands. This one in particular is the Harris Solstice 230 edition saltwater package. As we're walking down the side, you can already notice that the lighting package offers great ambiance for entertainment for the island days. As it's getting closer to the sunset, you want to have a little bit of lighting to still be able to see around, but also have a little bit of head turning ability. That's the ultimate reason why you go to the island, is you want to have fun. What says more fun? Have more lights, LED lights. Makes it seem like it's more of a party more than anything. So up here you can see that we have the docking lights feature added onto this one. Makes docking in the nighttime a lot easier. You can see a lot better. Now let's hop up on board and let me show you a little bit more about it. As I'm sitting in the front of the boat, notice the full wraparound seating. The seating comes in this boat is the two-tone gray. Me personally, I like that a little bit better because I like that darker color look. The front-facing loungers have fold-down armrests with 2 cup holders total on each one. If that becomes a problem and you need more, there are 3 additional ones here and on the port side. Each cup holder is illuminated with the LED lights. That way, as you're getting into the later hours of the day, sun starts to go down, you'll be able to see where you can fit your cups. Also, this one comes with a flat table in the center. If you need extra space, this one is removable and you can move it to the back of the boat as well. As we move forward, or move to the back of the boat, my apologies, this boat comes with the in-ground storage. Offers a little bit more storage down there. One thing I forgot to mention is the seats up here in the front. They're all on hinges. All seats from Harris come with hinges. During transportation, makes it a lot more convenient because you don't have to stress about the seats flying away or getting damaged. As we move to the back, this one comes with actually a changing room. So while you're at the island, if you have little kids that need to go to the bathroom, don't want to go out in front of people, this actually extends out and it's a full changing room. Offers great privacy. This one has dual helm seats, completely swivelable, so you can move them to the back of the boat. So when you're out at the island, you have the ability to change to the front and the back. This has the Simrad Go 9 screen, great premium audio package, the wireless phone charger, as well as the digital throttle. Digital throttle is a lot smoother when you're transitioning gears. This one also offers the docking feature. So what is that? Docking feature is when you get close to docks, you can push that button. It basically takes the RPM down from the motor so you can't whiskey throttle it and cause a lot of damage or injury. As we move to the back, the full lounger on the back. This is probably my favorite part of the whole boat because it allows you the comfort of being able to sitting down and transition to the front. But when you're at the island, you have a great view and a great lounge for the backside. This actually folds back, so you have a backrest and you can lay out completely. Or if you wanted to get a nice little suntan without getting sandy, open it down and it lays completely flat. And as we move to the back of the boat, again, want to reiterate the size of the single lounge or the lounge chair that we have back here. Very spacious for you and a couple people. There's also 2 speakers that face back towards the back of the boat. This is paired with a ski pylon for the tubers and water skiers. They want to be able to hear the music as well. Also, one thing I wanted to point out was the audio puck that is on the side of the boat here. That allows you to change the music without actually having to get up into the boat to the front of it. Great for whenever you're at the island and you want to stay out in the water. Also notice the size platform that I'm standing on. This is the extended platform, which actually increases the length of this boat from 23 to around the 25-foot range. This boat is powered by a 225 Mercury. This Mercury motor pushes this boat a lot faster than what you would think. You want to get a couple people mad, pass them on and try and tune. Final thing that I wanted to mention was the double bimini that is set up on this boat. This offers complete shade coverage across the whole boat. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm Jacob Wright from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Cell phone number is 850-819-9106. Thank you.